Alright, so I'm gonna put What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Laura Mercier Setting Powder Glow. Not glow setting powder glow. Alright guys, so I have the PR box that Laura Mercier sent me right here. It is a beautiful, beautiful box. It is this, ow, I just hit my face. It is this beautiful Laura Mercier box right here. And when you open it, guys, check this out. Check this out.
Hey guys, Mario here. I'm so excited.
Mario, as in Mario, I don't know his last name, but Kim Kardashian's makeup. Amazing. So, oh my. So let's just pause that video for a second while I show you guys the contents of this box, what comes inside of it, and so we could get into reviewing the new Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. So this is what's inside of the box. Right here we have the original loose setting powder, which I love so much. I think it's a great setting powder. It's probably one of the best on the market. It's a little pricey, but it's amazing. It's really, really good. It comes with the original little velour puff. I don't really use these puffs that much. I don't really enjoy them, but you know, I'm more of a brush girl myself. So up here we have the brand new Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow in Translucent. So this comes in two colors. If I'm not wrong, it comes in medium deep and it comes in this translucent shade. And they have said that this will cover, these two shades will cover everyone. It's universal for these two shades. Everyone will be covered with these two shades. I'm not sure if that's true or not. I only have the translucent here. So I am gonna be giving you a little demo of how that looks and reviewing it for you guys. And it also comes with this really interesting brush that Mario actually in the video shows you how to use. He actually describes in the video how to use this product in general. So I'm gonna go over that with you. Exactly what he says, I'm gonna tell you. All right, so let's get started with the review portion of this product. So here is the container which holds the new Loose Setting Powder Glow. I'm gonna open it up for you. By the way, the only difference between this one and the loose setting powder, the regular translucent, and packaging wise, is that this top is a little bit more bronze and reflective looking. So I have already opened it and I did swatch it on my hand. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So as you can see, this product is a lot more glowy and shimmery than the regular setting powder. I really don't think that this powder is or should be used to set underneath your eyes. It's just a little too shimmery for that. If anything, I would consider this a very light version of a highlighter. So the L-I-T-E, light, as in like Diet Coke. This is like diet highlighter, okay? Diet highlighter right here. It is very finely milled and it just feels really, really nice on the skin. It's very easy to blend in. I actually really enjoy what it looks like. I stepped outside to see what this product looks like in the sunlight because sometimes some highlighters in the sunlight, you could see way too much glitter. This one does not have too much glitter. It's just beautiful. So now for the demo portion, I did already set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder, the regular setting powder. I didn't really show that on camera just because you probably have seen that a million times. It's an amazing powder. It's freaking awesome. It's just a loose translucent. Nothing too special about it, but we are gonna go into step by step of what Mario says to do. So he did say to start off by setting everywhere that you need to set with the loose translucent setting powder, the regular one. So I set underneath my eyes, my smile lines, and a little bit here on my forehead. Also, my Cupid's bow, sometimes my Cupid's bow gets a little oily, so I did that. So he actually calls these steps the set up and set down steps. So for the setup portion, he does say in the video that this is the portion where you are going to be adding glow back into your face after setting it all down. So anywhere that you want to add luminosity, you're going to put this product. pretty much just like a highlighter, but like I said before, this highlighter is like the diet version of highlighter. So he says to take your brush, this nifty little brush, this is called the Glow Powder Brush, and it's very cool because it kind of like hugs the contours of your face. So I did put a little bit here in the cap. You can't see, but it's a small amount. I don't want to go ham with this product, especially it being the first time that I'm using it. So he does say to just brush it like this on the tops of your cheeks. Now, I don't see too much, but like I said, this is a very light version of highlighter, and I'm very used to like a intense version of highlighter. So I'm actually gonna add a little bit more product to my cap because I feel like I need just a little bit more. So let's tap that in here. All right, so this should be enough product. If you hear any growling in the back, I'm sorry, my dog is, she growls at a fly passing by the door. So I'm just gonna take the cap and the Glow Powder Brush and swirl it into the cap. And I'm gonna do exactly what he says in the video. He says to graze it at the top of your cheeks. Oh, okay, see, now I see it a little bit more. Graze it at the top of your cheeks. He says to put it on the bridge of the nose, above the lips, and he says to swipe it around your forehead, anywhere that will catch the light. So anywhere that I'm putting it is basically where he showed in the video to put it. All right, so I'm gonna finish putting on all of my makeup and then I will come back to give you my thoughts on this product. All right guys, so I am back. I have all of my makeup on, and my honest review about this product is that it is beautiful. It is so, so pretty. It's giving me such a nice, luminous, dewy glow. Like I said before, this isn't a product that is going to make you look like you are shining bright like a diamond. Like, you're not gonna get that metallic look with this product, but it is so beautiful, especially when you're gonna maybe try to do a no makeup look. This is the highlighter for that. I'm really, really enjoying this. I definitely think you guys should give it a try. I really like it. I really do like it. I'm gonna keep playing with it, but I really do like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I know it's a short one, but I know you guys really like reviews. That's what I've been seeing on my channel, so I hope to see you guys in my next review or whatever video that's gonna be. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.